Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Affirm card in store. First, open the Affirm app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account so you can access all the features. Once you are inside the app, look for the card section. Tap on it to continue. Here, you will see an option to create a one-time use card. Tap on Create One-Time Use Card to begin. Now keep in mind that this card is temporary. It will only be available for 24 hours. If you do not complete your purchase within that time, the card will expire. If that happens, you will need to come back and create a new one. Next, enter the amount you plan to spend. Be careful to enter the correct amount based on your purchase. After that, you will be asked to choose a payment plan. Take your time and select the plan that works best for your budget. Once you choose your plan, the app will generate your card details. This includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you are shopping online, simply copy these details and paste them into the payment section of the website where you are making your purchase. If you are paying in a physical store, you need to add this card to your Google Wallet or Apple Wallet. When you are at the store, open your wallet on your phone and tap to pay at the counter, just like you would with any contactless card. Thanks for watching.